coming. She's on her way. So Maryville, Indiana, get ready to welcome your favorite R&B diva star, Keke Wyatt.
What's up, Northwest Indiana? It's your favorite R&B diva, Keke Wyatt. Come hang out with me Saturday, June the 1st in Maryville, okay?
Live in concert Saturday, June 1st at the all-new 83 Entertainment Center, 1500 East 83rd Street, across from the mall. And after the show, hang out and party with the R&B diva Keke Wyatt live at the all-new 83 Entertainment Center with a special guest performance by Ted T.J. Johnson. You must be grown and sexy. Dress attire is, you already know. Get your grown and sexy on with Keke Wyatt live in concert Saturday, June 1st at the all-new 83 Entertainment Center, 1500 East 83rd Street in Maryville, Indiana. Get your tickets now at Eventbrite.com or call 219-791-3513. Catering provided by Regina Southern Cuisine. And you know it's another smooth night out production.